Hello OT friends, this is Miss Spitzer. Today we're going to be making sun catchers. So today's project is going to focus on fine motor skills, including drawing, unwrapping crayons, shredding crayons, and cutting, as well as visual motor skills, including drawing, cutting, and filling in the shapes with the crayon shreds. Materials that will be needed for this project include an iron or a hairdryer, crayons, wax paper, permanent marker, a pencil sharpener or a cheese grater, and scissors. Optional materials are a hole punch and string. The first step is to draw shapes on wax paper using Sharpie. You can draw easy shapes such as a circle or a square, more difficult such as a triangle or a star, or even more difficult such as a sun or a flower. This can be made more dynamic by hiding shapes around the room and drawing them as you find them. It can also be made easier by placing a piece of paper below the wax paper and tracing the shapes. The second step is to choose out a few different colored crayons and begin to unwrap them. You are going to have to work both sides of your body together and use precise controlled movements in order to do this. This activity is going to work on fine motor strengthening and precision, as it requires a lot of endurance to unwrap these crayons. As you can see, some of the crayons may be harder to unwrap than others. You just have to try to get off as much as you can. It's okay to have some of the wrapper left. The third step is to use a large pencil sharpener in order to sharpen or shred the crayons. Again, you are going to be working both hands together and using precise movements. If you don't have a pencil sharpener, you could also use a cheese grater to shred the crayons. The fourth step is to take the shavings from the crayons and place them inside your shapes. It's okay to have some white space in between the shavings when you're doing this. The fifth step is to place another sheet of wax paper on top. The sixth step is to have an adult use an iron on the lowest setting to iron the shavings. A hairdryer may also work for this step. Once the wax has cooled, you can take your scissors and cut along the lines for the shapes. Here's a reminder of how to hold the scissors. Your final step is to hang your sun catchers in the window. For this, I just taped them to the window. But in this picture, I punched holes in my sun catchers and tied them up with string. I hope this is a fun OT activity for everybody. Here I have put the steps as a review. Have a good day!